Hey guys, so I may look crusty, but today it's very early in the morning. I just woke up like not too long ago, and today is Mother's Day. So I'm gonna be writing a card for my mom, and that's what I'm gonna be doing to this video. And I'm gonna be posting this video exactly on Mother's Day because today is Mother's Day, and I want to get this video out and ready. So yeah. I have here is my piece of paper, so I'm going to fold this real quick. Now we have like this perfect little like folding paper. And now for the front, I'm going to be writing oops, I accidentally read an M, but it's okay. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to write my first thing up here and then I'll get back to you. So right here you can see that I forgot the Y, so I'm about to write that. But I said, Happy Mother's Day, I love you lots. So this is what it looks like. It says, Happy Mother's Day, I love you lots. I wish the happiest of Mother's Day. And hugs. And I put that little smiley face and then I put these. So I'm going to put this under here, and then when she's, up? Well, she is up, but I don't want to give it to her now because I won't kind of want to get this on video, so I'm going to hide this under here. So there. See you guys when I surprise her. Gotta let my little puppies in. Hi. Hi, Gingy. Ginger, Mika, hi. Aw. Hi, baby. So cute. Hi. Hi. Oh, so cute. Hey, Mom. Hey. Hey, Mom. So I got you something. I got you something.
Aww.
What does it say?
Happy Mother's Day. Bae, I love you lots. I wish the happiest of Mother's Day. Hugs and kisses. Aww. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. See, and I made it.
Yes, that's even better.
I know. And I also drew this little person with a little smiley face.
Aww.
I made this earlier, like, I think when I first woke up. Right now, we're having pizza, and then we're gonna have cheesecake and cookies. Mika! Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi, Mika. Woo! Hi, beautiful. No, you gotta stay in the bathtub. Aww. She looks like a little wet rat. Aww. Hi, baby. Cute whiskies. Oh, it's hot in here. We're still giving Mika a little bath. Mika. Woo. There you go. Face. You ready to be nice and clean, Mika? I keep getting her mixed up. Mika. She's so cute. Here, let me do her. Woo. slipped. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when she's done. Oh, baby. Aww. You look so nice. Boop. I keep getting mixed up. Ginger is in the kitchen whining. I'm surprised she's even whining because she doesn't really whine that much. Yeah. Mika. Mika, you gotta stay in the bathtub. Okay, time to put her in the kitchen.
Okay, move. Grab the soap.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay. Okay, time to put her.
Calling for you.
Happy, look at him. Oh, you're so happy. Woo, we gotta shake that all off. Gotta shake it all off. Oh. Can I get a? Nope. Oh well.
Turn off my style or more the strawberry style?
I want this one. Shut up, phone. I'm not charging you yet. Do you ever wonder if the recording still goes if it says you're gonna die? You're gonna break it. Gonna die. Yay, I got the very small piece.